Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Premiere Pro. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So there are three different types of zooms you can make in Premiere Pro. The first one is where you can zoom in and zoom out to your timeline. To do that, simply select this magnifying glass in the toolbar and just simply click on the left mouse button. And to zoom out, just press and hold the Alt key and again click on the left mouse button. And alternatively, you can use this bar below the timeline. And the second type of zoom is where you can zoom into your project preview. To do that, simply click on this box and select the zoom level, let's say 200%, and you can navigate by using these bars. And let's zoom out and let's fit this into our screen. The last type of zoom where you can actually zoom into your clip. To do that, click on Effect Controls, and here when you increase this scale value, as you can see, the clip zooms in. To zoom out, just reduce this scale value. 100% is the default, and let's say you zoomed in and you want to arrange the video clip's position. To do that, simply click on this motion and then click on your video clip to reposition it. And let's zoom out a bit and let's just reposition it. Let's play it. And that's how to zoom in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.